Steam Whistle Brewing was named one of Canada's Green Employers on Earth Day, April 22, 2010. This special designation recognizes the employers that lead the nation in creating a culture of environmental awareness in their organizations. These employers have developed exceptional earth-friendly initiatives and are attracting people to their organizations because of their environmental leadership. This award grew out of two remarkable speeches given by Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and former U.S. Vice President Al Gore at the annual conference on the Canada's Top 100 Employers project in 2006 and 2007. Steam Whistle Brewing is particularly proud of this award. To enjoy this great Pilsner, visit the Bar with No Name, 1651 Bloor Street, West Toronto, www.thebarwithnoname.ca. Come on in and have a Steam Whistle Pilsner.